Hello everyone. Welcome back to Doodle Dollars. This is Courtney. Happy Monday, guys. I am home from work today. I'm still feeling very sick, but I need to rally and kind of get stuff done. So I thought I would start with recording this because my brain really needs that dopamine to get motivated. I have a few orders that I need to work on. I have a school project that was due on Sunday that I had to submit like a token for like a late turn-in because I just could not do anything this weekend. So all right, so here I am. We are going to start off with some freebies. So this one is by She's Simply Joyful. This was her thank you for 200 Ko-fi followers. So we have 4 different versions here. Very cute. I love a good pun, so these are right up my alley. Next, we have this collab between Lil's World and Autumn 1492. And I saw this yesterday and I immediately got it. And I just think these are so cute. So this one is a freebie as well. All of these are freebies. Next, we have the You're Terrific. This one is mine for 500 followers or 500 subscribers. And I need to create one for 600 guys. I am working on it. I just have not had the creative energy to do that yet, but it's coming. Okay, then we have cash stuffing and coffee. I obviously love coffee. I have tea today, but coffee is my usual go-to. Then we have these by Vicky Thinks. So some cute little forest animals. Next we have these ones by Budget by Camilla. Now these ones kind of got cut off at the top, but that's my user error. Because on her file it wasn't cut off like this. It was just my printer, I think, acting up. Okay, next we have these 3 by Build It Big Budgets. So thank you for helping us get to 900 subscribers. Then we have some more coffee themed ones. This is by Cash Money Budgets. Pothead, I love that. I have a sign like this by my coffee pot. So cute little coffee themed ones. Then we have these froggy ones by Dying Outlaw Games and Budgets. So frog in the bathtub and reading books. Very cute. These ones are also by Dying Outlaw Games and Budgets. Okay, and that is it for today with the freebies. I'm sorry I didn't cut them out, guys. I just have been very low on energy, but let me get my envelopes set up here and we will get into the mini Monday. Okay, so we have $20 here today. Thank you so much to everyone who sent Ari and I thoughts, prayers, wishes to get better. I really appreciate that. And just for your understanding and support. I hope y'all are having a great week, a great start to your week. This is the last mini Monday of January, so I thought about, oops, I can't see what that is. Number 4. I thought about doing this off camera, but I was like, I really don't want to miss the last mini Monday of January. That would be sad. So here we are. Three. So I think Ari and I both had the flu. She was sick. She got sick Wednesday night, and so I took off work Thursday, Friday. She was sick and had a fever, and then she was feeling a little better by Saturday. She was still not feeling great, but that's when I got sick But she was really great. She was very sweet and understanding. I kept apologizing that I couldn't really do anything fun with her. We really just moved back and forth from the couch to the bed, back to the couch. We watched a lot of shows, but she was really understanding. She was like, "It's okay, Mom." But you know, if you have kids and you understand, like, you don't, it's tough when they're sick and when you're sick, especially when you're sick, because you still have to be mom, you know, you still have to rally. But I spent so much money on takeout. That was not good for my wallet, but it's okay. Sometimes you got to do what you got to do. So, all right. So this one is by Vicky Thinks. This is our collab Road to 300. Even though we both already hit 300, we're still collaborating. And this one got 1, 2, 3. So we're going to cross out 3 more of these. Okay, so that has 4 total now. All right, next we have the Baddie Mobile. This is Keeping It Crispy. This is her, I think, Road to 300. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so that's a pretty good start on that one. All right, next we have National Hangover Day. This one is by Restoration by Autumn. So this one got 1, 2, 3, 4 today. So we should have 9 in here total. We have 5 and then the 4 that we just put in. I don't know where these are going for. I don't think I've decided. Oh, this one's going for Arya's birthday. I didn't decide on the last 2 where they're going yet. Okay, this one is by Saving with Tiffany. And this one got 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 8 in here total, which is awesome. All right. No, I didn't decide where that one is going either. I feel like Arya's sinking funds are not as high priority, so I'm not like super concerned about defining where each one is going yet. I think I'll wait until I kind of can assess like which one needs the most right now. All right, this one is by Savin' with Sam. We have 1 to add here, and so we have 4 total. So I'm going to color in a little strawberry. Okay, very cute. All right, and then we have this one, Welcome Spring. This is part of Vicky and my collab. So this is one of the minis from my set. So you guys can go grab Vicky's from her page. She has a Shut the Box and 2 minis, and I have 2 minis and 2 tinies. 1, 2, 3. Okay, We are almost done with this one, so we should have, I don't know how much we have in here. Let's see. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Yes, that seems right. All right. Alrighty guys, and that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, for being here with me. And if you are new here and you have not yet said hi, please say hi in the comments. I'd love to get to know you. And if you have been watching and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe and follow along this journey of mine. I also will be doing the giveaway announcement very soon. I just need to figure out how to do the comment picker. So just, you know, as soon as I feel like I have the mental and actual energy to do that, I will get that done. So anyways, thanks for hanging out with me, guys. I will see you in the next video.